DJM TV.
I don't really.
Hello.
Hello. So I'm live, and everyone is saying I need to talk to you.
Yeah, because I've been telling them about how much I've been thinking about you. My heart has been skipping for you, and I've been telling them how much I love you.
Are you the correct Tobe?
Hmm?
Are you the Tobe everyone has been talking about?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like I told them that we have something, that we're in a relationship, that you're angry at me and you don't reply my DMs, and it really hurts me a lot.
Okay. I had no idea what was going on because everyone was like,
No, you
Tobe.
don't need to have any idea. We are dating, but you do not know about the relationship. It's only me that know.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, what's your Instagram? I'm trying to remember.
No,
Have we met before?
Yeah, we've met. We dated for like few months, just about 4 months. But you just let me go like that, and it's not really good. What have I done to you?
Yeah, but okay, cool. I just went on your Instagram. You do this to women.
No. And that's not my Instagram, that's my brother's Instagram.
Oh my God, you do this to loads of women.
No. I won't even lie to you. That's my brother's Instagram. I'm not even lying to you right now. Like seriously, you don't remember me?
Where? Okay, have we
I
met
live
before?
in South London.
Oh, you live in London?
Yeah.
We met in London.
Yes, we met in London before, and you told me you love me. Since that day, I've not been able to sleep. I've been thinking about it too.
When did I meet you?
In South London.
Where in South London?
Where did you go in South London again? When you went to a restaurant?
Peckham. I went to Peckham, actually.
Then if it's not there, then where again will we meet? It's that place that we met. You told me you love me. Since that day, I told all my friends that we're in a relationship.
Okay, so first of all, is it Toby or Tobe?
You forgot my name. This is
Emma Binu Motigbabe. What's your name?
My name is Tobe.
Tobe. Okay. Why are you wearing a
bonnet?
Bonnet, yeah, Louis Vuitton pink bonnet. That's my bonnet.
What you give, that's your favorite color. It's what you gave me for my birthday.
Yeah, but no, it's my own. Why are you using my bonnet? Why is my boyfriend using my own bonnet? Give me my bonnet back.
That's the love I have for you. That's how much I love you.
You know why I broke up with you? You didn't give me anything for Valentine's Day. Nothing for me to hold.
Baby, I was trying to get to you. But I could not get your address.
I told you, stop using all my bleaching cream. See your skin.
Baby, it's the ring light. It's not. I can on the light. The ring light is 40.
I don't know. Anyway,
Baby,
I want
iPhone.
I want iPhone 15. I didn't know we were going to be public about our relationship, but
baby, we are public. Our relationship is public. We should be baby, please. Now I don't want to shout. You're stressing me.
You're cheating on me. I can tell.
I've never cheated on you before. I'm allergic to it. I will never do that to you. I promise. Baby, I want to ask you for one thing.
What do you want?
Baby, I want to use one of that your Ferrari, that big one. I want to use it to go and see somebody. No, it's my friend. I tell my friend that my babe have Ferrari now.
Are you going to remember to put petrol? Last time you forgot.
Me, petrol. Like my father is this now. My father is ambassador for a filling station. You
forgot last time you gave me a.
My father is minister for petroleum now, so you don't have to panic.
Okay. Wait. This friend you're seeing, who's your friend?
It's one girl like that. No, my secondary school friend. Like me and I used to drag the same position in results. We used to carry second first. He's my like his bestie.
Okay, you can go as long as you listen to my song in the car.
But you will be me this in the car key. You will be me the car key because I'm not like I'm in South London.
No problem now. Why are you forgetting? I gave you spare key. You're coming on public to
but the car is to use. Maybe I will use the spare key to control it from South London, and then we bring it from inside.
No problem. Simple thing. You could have called me and telling me on Instagram. No problem.
Maybe let's
also, wait. Has the money hit your account yet for March?
I swear. It's only debit that debited me.
Wait. So your pocket money has not arrived yet?
That's nothing. I've not seen anything.
I will call my bank tomorrow. Sorry, baby. I'm so sorry. Sorry.
You will send it.
I will send it, but I told you stop using my cream. I don't like all this.
Yeah, let me on light. Baby, let me on light. Is the ring light is 40?
Oh yeah, on lights. Make I see I'm well. On lights.
Okay. Baby, wait. It's magic. I want to use magic trick to on it. So
yeah.
Like this, the light will on.
Oh, yeah.
Okay?
You know I like magic.
Do you see it?
Oh yeah, still my. Oh yeah, come here for kiss. Come here for this. Oh yeah. Good night. I'll send you your money tomorrow. Don't worry.
Baby, you don't touch on my high pressure.
Remember, man left. First of all, I didn't know who that was, but I love his energy. Oh my God, I'm tired.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People are people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV.
That I feel the Charlie boy. But this ain't Charlie boy, so I'm mumu don't too much. Charlie boy, now I'm mumu not too much. You be mumu. You think say they wise. You are a mumu man. You are a mumu man. And then throw the tear gas if something way bad for this issue. We just pray. They say, oh, our mumu done too much, our mumu done too much. You be mumu, they call other people mumu. They never show you say you be mumu. Nigeria is not for Desani. Nigeria is not for Charlie Boy. Nigeria is not for Good Luck Jonathan. Nigeria is not for Alhaji Mujahid Ogbasara Diabali. It's not for us. The earlier we realize this, the earlier every one of you realizes, the better it will be for us. That Nigeria is not for us. How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? Charlie Boy? Good Luck Jonathan. He want to be America, we know. Who is America? Don't be small North Korea, they knock America, yeah? Knock America, yeah? What America don't do? America will know. Instead of you to do something for people, they build a military school with our money. Instead of this, they go Zingero. If they go this place, now even road to go to work no day. You want to please others and displease us and displease yourself. Now they never leave you. They have left you behind. This